Hello and welcome to this short film related to weight management. You would have noticed that usually people make an opinion about us based on our looks. Being slim does not only gives us good looks but also helps us to stay away from health problems. At the same time, being overweight results in heart problems, high cholesterol, arthritis, and there is always a fear of mental stress. You would have also noticed that overweight people usually have a low self-esteem. Reason for this is their own obesity, and because of which there is also a fear of going into depression. If you have a habit of eating more or habits like binge eating, then wait, because you are yourself inviting obesity. All this happens here. And now let's explore about the science of weight management so that you have a healthy body and healthy mind. How would you know that you are overweight? For this, it is very important for you to know your body type, which is measured using BMI or body mass index. Now, I will tell you how to calculate BMI. Divide your body weight by the square of your height. For example, if your weight is 75 kgs and your height is 162 centimeters, then divide 75 kgs by the square of 162 centimeters, which works out to 28.6. Now, what does that mean? Does it point to being overweight? If the BMI is 18.5, it indicates that your weight is less than normal. If the BMI is between 18.5 and 24.9, it indicates your weight is normal. If the BMI is between 25 to 29.9, it means you are overweight. And if the BMI is 30 or more than 30, it indicates obesity. Well, that answers our question. If your BMI is 25 or more than 25, it means your weight is more. Through weight management, you can identify how to find out your weight in proportion to your height. For obese and overweight people, it would mean weight loss, and for underweight people, it would mean gaining weight. There are two key elements of weight management. First, diet, and second, exercise. An ideal diet means that your body is getting a balanced intake of cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, milk, and milk products. In an ideal meal, high-calorie food, oily food, and sweets should be avoided. Now, we move on to the second element of weight management, and that is exercise. You not only have to keep a watch on your daily routine lifestyle, but also on your working style. It is usually seen that most of us have our work restricted to the computer screen. And then we go home, lie down, and start watching TV. We don't get enough exercise. Without exercise, we don't burn off the calories that we take in. Because of this reason, we gain weight and are prone to being overweight and obese. Fitness routine is very important for a weight management plan. And for this fitness routine, we should specially take care of few things, like cardiovascular exercise for at least 30 to 45 minutes every day. Similarly, strength training 20 to 30 minutes and free hand workout 15 to 20 minutes. And yes, there are different exercise routines depending on the nature of body type. So, before starting any exercise routine, it is very important to consult your doctor. In today's difficult lifestyle, we have so much work pressure that neither we are able to maintain our exercise routine nor take adequate diet, thus resulting in excessive intake of junk food. So now, what can one do? Well, that's why the Vestige Weight Management System has been designed. This is a three-pronged weight management system. First, it reduces body fat. Second, provides adequate nutrition. And third, it sustains the energy levels. Vestige Weight Management System not only enhances immunity, but also works towards enhancing stamina so that you have a healthy lifestyle. This system has specially been formulated by experts at Vestige to help in having a 100% safe and natural weight loss program. Vestige Weight Management System comprises of two products. First, Vestige Slimming Capsule, and second, Vestige Slimming Patch. So first, let's know about Vestige Slimming Capsule. Vestige Slimming Capsules are formulated with ingredients that are 100% natural. The formulation is designed to suppress appetite without any compromise with nutrition levels. With this, our food intake is reduced, but the body remains adequately nourished with all vital ingredients that are needed for maintaining a healthy body system. The formulation is completely safe and has no side effects. Now, you would be thinking that what are the main ingredients of these capsules that make them so effective? So now, let's take a closer look. Fudia gurtoni. This ingredient acts as a natural appetite suppressant, increases one's stamina, and makes it easier to cope with stress. Carsenia cambogia. This ingredient helps in suppressing the accumulation of body fat and also enhances the process of oxidation of body fat and its conversion to energy. Coleus forsicoli. This increases the body's rate of metabolism, enabling it to burn more calories. It also breaks down adipose, which is a fatty tissue, and prevents its production in the body. This combination of Vestige Slimming Capsule is very effective and helpful for reducing weight. It reduces the appetite, yet maintaining the nutritional requirements of the body. It suppresses production of body fat and also breaks down the fatty tissues, where on one side it oxidizes the body fat and converts it to energy. On the other side, it also helps in burning calories. This is a very effective and safe way of managing your weight and with no side effects. The second product of Vestige Weight Management is Vestige Slimming Patch. This product is for those people who keep very busy and usually forget to take pills. But now, let me tell you a simple solution to this problem, and that is this patch. You can apply this patch over those areas of your body from where the fat needs to be removed. Now I will tell you how this patch is applied. Now, let's see how this patch works. This is very simple. This patch melts the fat deposits within body by activating the fat ions, settling them in motion as it were, and converting them into energy. Vestige Slimming Patch is an excellent long-term solution for reducing weight because it acts on the inertial memory of fat cells. To manage your weight effectively and consistently, you will have to use the slimming patch for at least 3 months regularly. Now the question arises, why so? Well, your fat cells have an inertial memory, a kind of program for forming and storing fat in the body. The cells in your body are constantly renewing themselves. Old cells die and are replaced by new cells. The same applies to your fat cells as well. This process of renewal happens on a cycle that lasts for around 100 days. That's why you need to use the patch for at least 3 months to see real results. In 3 months, the new cells will develop new inertial memories of burning fat and converting it to energy. This is very simple to use. And that is why you can regularly use it for 3 months with sheer simplicity. And yes, with this, you need not go in for any diet or fitness programs. And now I will let you know what exactly is in this patch. It contains some natural fat burners like Phylostachys pubescens, black oak, Oleum sene, and rheum bell. This slimming patch enhances both your metabolism as well as blood circulation and also improves your digestion. Thus, this works much faster than all other methods of reducing weight. And that's not all. It also detoxifies your system, fights fatigue, and also increases your energy levels. Now, Vestige Management System is here to fight the fat cells. With Vestige Slimming Patch on one side and Vestige Slimming Capsule on the other side. Now, it's your turn. Reduce weight, stay happy and look smart with a little help from Vestige.